Right, I'm going to put a CIS onto a HP PhotoSmart 2575. It's a 2575, look. Shouldn't take long today. Let's have a look. Lift the scanner lid up. Well, lift it all up, sorry. And you'll see that I put some things in place to start with. I've got that arm in place. I've got this clip here. If you notice, I've got it clipping down and I've got it stuck up there. Just a little tiny bit, but that does make a difference, because when the paper comes out, if you have this too low, the paper will catch it. So that's just stuck up that little tiny bit. And then I've put this one here, this clip, that it holds the piping. They're all to hold the piping, so you've got a clip there, and an arm there. They're all in place to save time on the video. I've got the CIS here. Well, there's the CIS. You take the big bung out, you take the small bung out, leave the big bung in. Take the small bung out and put in the air filters in each of the 4 colours. You've got the bottles, they must be the same height as the printer. If you look there, it's on the table, it must remain on that table. This is all set up for it to be the same height. If you have it higher, you will, without fail, flood your printer. So make sure that this is the same height as the printer, and no matter what you think about lifting it up to get rid of air and things, it will break it. Don't do it. Well, it won't break it, but it will ruin it. So don't lift it higher. If you do get a problem, just give me a ring and I'll tell you what to do. That must be, without fail, the same height as the printer. I've got the cartridges there. This printer takes a combination, different combinations. On this one I've got a 338 and a 344. Doesn't matter, it takes quite a few combinations. This printer does. It takes 339, 343 as well. But on this one I've got 338, 344. Doesn't matter. Let's get it in and start it. Right, I've got it switched on. I've got the lid up. It won't move because the sensor over here is sensing that the lid is open. It's got the thing down for the cartridges to go in, so we can just put them straight in. We get the colour and the black. I'll just move the camera over a bit, and we put them in. Remember, I'm behind the camera, so it is a little harder for me because I'm at arm's length. Just click them in. There you go. They're clicked in as normal, and as you see, the piping will come to the left. If you just look under here though, where I put the pipings into the cartridge, just make sure that they're not caught on these black things, these little black things coming over, because that will stop the ink. Just push them out if they are. They'll be okay. Right, it comes across to the left. Pretty easy. No twists, look. There are no twists. And just hook it back in itself there. Into this arm. Like that. I'm going to go down there so you can see. It's coming across to the left, straight across, curling up and coming back into that arm. That's what you have to do. Make sure there's no twists in it. Then, when it's come from that arm, like that, pull it round here and clip it into this clip here. So you've got that like that. Can you see? Across, curl up, comes round into this clip, then it comes round the front of the printer. We'll move that back a bit, round the front of the printer and click that up. We've got the piping held into place there. I think really it's ready to print. What I'm going to do is just show you how to do the lid catch actually. If you look here, there's a little black thing, and if you look under here, there, this thing here, that goes into this, and it knows the lid is shut, just in case you've got it open that tiny bit. To cancel that out or make it think the lid is shut, you'll see this move in a minute. Just push anything in there. I've got a bit of paper there. Just push it in and it will think that it's gone, that the lid is closed. I pressed the OK there, by the way. If you look at that, it thinks the lid is closed and it's going left to right and all that it would normally do. If you notice, this pipe comes up, but when you got the lid down, it'll stay down. And just to show it, I'm going to put the lid down. There. That is all working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the computer and tell it to print. So just give it 1 second. I'll pause the video, and then we'll... Right, we've pressed print on the computer. We're just waiting it to go through its setup, and it should print any time. Won't be long now. You can hear the printer moving from left to right. There you go, there's a piece of paper going in, and now it's going to do its print. And this does show it prints with the lid down. That bit of piping that's inside here, it comes up when we've got the lid open, but when we've got the lid closed, it hits that lid and stays down, if you see what I mean. It will always print with the lid down. I'm leaving it on to do the print because it'll only be about another minute, I would think. You can watch it printing all the way through. There's the black coming. I'm just doing each colour just as a test print. There's the yellow done. There, they're all done there, look. And if you look there, we've got black, yellow, red and blue. They're all printing, the printer's printing perfect. Nice, quick, easy video for you there. Just give you a quick reminder though, these must be on the same level. If you have them higher, you will flood the printer. Remember, you must have them on the same level. Yeah, I just stopped the video there because the phone rang. I'll just go a bit further into it. I always remind you about the bottles on the same level. They must be on the same level. You've got to have these in. You will get ink, bottles of ink, that fill this up and more. The bottles come with this. I put around that much in just so it doesn't leak all over the place in the post. Don't go all the way empty though, because you'll get air into the system. Always start, well, when you get it really, top it up. Top it up to about here. Don't go lower than 1 centimetre because you'll get air in the system, then you get loads of problems. I think that's about it really. If you get any problems, the number's on at the end of the video anyway. Thanks for watching.